this is why we love the Rolex Domino's Pizza Air King reference 14000M. First of all, this is a model they don't make anymore. This example was made in the 2001 and it's the reference 14000M, which means it's got the 3130 movement. That said, time only dial, no date window whatsoever to disrupt it, and right there at the 6 o'clock location, instead of having a precision or super precision branding, you get the Domino's Pizza logo. This was actually how this watch came. This isn't a custom job. This is a awards watch. This program still exists with Domino's. If you own a Domino's Pizza franchise and you hit the sales numbers, you will be awarded a Rolex. This is an easy watch to wear all day, every day, will always look good and fit just about any style. This one even still has the original sticker on the case back. You can even see the reference number right there. And if you're looking for an irreverent, fun mix that checks a slight vintage box and shows you something that you're not going to see on any modern Rolex, that's going to be the Domino's Pizza Air King reference 14000M.